Greetings from Uniform Tango 3 Uniform Quebec Zulu from Kiev. My name is Ilya and this is my first upload on this channel. I'd just like to share my check with you and show how am I doing with ham radio here. So this is my computer setup. I use it for everything, and this particular screen has my log program, very good logger, UR5 Echo Quebec Foxtrot by Ukrainian Ham, UR5 EQF, and I have some contacts here, just logging some stuff with EQSL, just very handy thing. I have somewhere my paper journal is here. I use it for some useful notes. I used it on my contest Chalapko Memorial. I've posted about this contest on Reddit. Yeah, and just some random notes about ham radio, what I should know. If some handy information comes on the air, then I just write down it here. So next thing I just like to share with you. This is my Iambic key for Morse code. I'm just learning CW. I just like to share one website if you want to learn CW is learncwonline.net, LCWO Lima Charlie Whiskey Oscar.net. You can go there. It's totally free. Just sharing with you some very good stuff to learn CW. Very helped me a lot. I'm just doing it. I'm beginning it right now, but I already had some good scores for me, and I'm happy to learn CW because it's very interesting and a lot of fun. This particular key I bought from a ham from Ukraine. If I'm not mistaken, Uniform Radio 3 Victor Charlie Delta. He 3D prints this stuff and sells it for around 8 to, I think it was like $8 to $10. Not sure about the currency exchange rate right now, but pretty decent key. And the key itself is here. Very strange packed actually, but as you can see, it's Arduino Uno, some Chinese fake, but works great, and the cheapest speaker I found somewhere, but works great, 20 words per minute or so. Happy with it. My ESO FT 1807 works great, by the way. I've posted it on Reddit too. Yes, some repeaters here, some local repeaters. Let's ask for somebody here. Для всех на репитере Ульяна Тамара, тройка, Ульяна, щука, Зинаида. Всем на репитере Ульяна Тамара, тройка, Ульяна, щука, Зинаида. Всем прием. Yeah, just made a small call on the repeater. Don't think anybody will answer me because it's already 11 o'clock here in Kiev, but sometimes eventually you can meet somebody at night. Yeah, I'm working with 5 watts. I'm not having a very good power supply. It is an ATX here in the box. Also powers this thing. Can be a little bit noisy. No, that's not the best way to power your station. Always keep in mind that the power supply is the most important thing, like all others. So never make it cheaper. Never buy a cheaper power supply. You should always buy a decent power supply with 25% of rate to ensure that you can load it 25% more, that your station needs to operate on the maximum power. In my case it's 50 watts, but I cannot output 50 watts here in Ukraine due to our laws, and of course because my power supply is not so efficient. I can try, you see it just goes down, and yeah, nothing good with this. Yeah. So here is my as far as I can show you here, my antenna, just one of four of the wave for 70 centimeter band here out of my window. At the feed, the ground feed, this window seal, it's metallic and it acts like a end feed. Depends on where I put the antenna. I hear different repeaters with different powers. That's very interesting, but this position for the antenna was the best to keep all the antennas and all the operators that I can hear from my location well, so I decided to leave it. As you can see, I'm living on the second floor, not very high, so not the best position for the ham radio, but anyway, my Baofeng UV5R. Yeah, if we go here, we can see some repeaters also on 2-meter band. Unfortunately, no antenna for this guy, except the default antenna. And as an example, I'd like to show you the example of radio contacts. And let's wait. Let's call here and wait. Всем на репитере. Ульяна Тамара, тройка, Ульяна, Щука, Зинаида. Всех приглашает. Ульяна Тамара, тройка, Ульяна, Щука, Зинаида. Всем прием.
Ульяна, Щука, Зинаида, Ульяна, Тамара, тройка, Ульяна, Федор, Дмитрий.
Ульяна Тамара, тройка, Ульяна, Федор, Дмитрий. Здравствуйте. Оператор Илья, город Киев. Q5 в целом слышу громко. Прием.
Слышу также вас громко, чисто, качественно. Даю вам рапорт.
Uniform Tango 3, Uniform Foxtrot Delta.
Набережная, оператор Сергей. Работаем мощностью до 5 Вт. Ногой 6100, снаружи QSL.
Да, QSL, все получено, Сергей. Спасибо большое за радиообмен. Также рапорт в целом Q5. Ну и спасибо большое, что ответили. Вопросов вроде как нет. Если есть вопросы, задавайте. Если нету, то вам микрофон для финала. Сергей, UT3UQZ, UT3UQZ. Прием.
Да, сейчас это УФД. Один вопрос. Какая станция, какая мощность?
Станция Baofeng уже 5R. Антенна штатная резинка. Мощность до 5 Вт. Прием.
Все принято. Добро, вопросов больше нет. Хорошего вечера. 73.
73 на лучшее пожелание. Пока-пока. Yeah. So this was Ham from Kiev, Uniform Tango 3, Uniform Foxtrot Delta. Sergey, he said he was operating under 5 watts with Nagoya antenna, and yeah, just a quick radio exchange in addition to this wonderful video I just made for you guys. So thank you for your attention. Sorry for the quality, sorry that it's a bad quality home video, but I hope I gave you some wonderful ham spirit experience, ham radio experience that I'm experiencing here in Kiev, and hope you do well, and I'll do more uploads in the future. I'm moving abroad in several months to Vienna. Happy to contact with some Austrian and German radio hams, and yeah, peace to all, and 73 D Uniform Tango 3 Uniform Quebec Zulu. Bye bye.